Daring is different. Daring was started with the mindset and the DNA of a company that focuses on individuals and professionals. And that DNA led us to understand and empathize with the time that it takes an individual to acquire a vehicle and the level of service that they want. Not the level of service they're used to, but the level of service they want. So Daring delivers what we say we will. What we say we will is exceptional service, proactively delivered, following a customer strategy, and doing exactly what they want and usually more. The idea is we deliver great service. Customers walk in the front door here and never walk out the back door. It's all about delivering what we say, doing what we say, and never breaking our promises. It's simple, but it's not common in the auto industry, unfortunately. It's what we do, and it's how we retain our clients. We build a growing business of fleets and companies that utilize Daring, but we do it by fulfilling the promises we've made, treating our existing customers like platinum and our new customers like gold. It's really simple, but it works, and it's not what people are used to. They're used to being content at best with an auto dealer transaction, just like buying a mattress. People aren't used to having a great experience, and when they do, it's addictive. And they say, boy, why haven't I done this in years? Why didn't I know about you before? We hear it all the time.